Hello and welcome to Technique Tuesday Tips. Today we will focus on a good streamline. With a good streamline, you can swim faster all of the swimming strokes. New swimmers tend to waste a lot of energy with unnecessary movements. But with the right body position, you can move fast and far with just a few movements. For example, watch how I almost get to the middle of the pool with just a push and in just a few seconds. You don't have to have super strong legs to do this either. Try pushing from the wall several times. The first, do it with your hands locked and elbows tight. Next time, do the same, but with a tight core and glutes. The third time, do step 1 and 2, plus having your knees tight and straight, and your feet pointing to the wall, also tight. If you're thinking, wait a minute, so almost every muscle in my body must be tight or what? Yep, pretty much. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comment section below. Here are more videos that could be of interest to you. See you there, swim fast!